I'm going to show you how you can fix this TV isn't a part of your Netflix account. Now, when you encounter this problem, you'll have to follow the prompts on the screen right now, and then you'll have to select Update Netflix Household. Now, once there, select Troubleshoot this TV, and then from there, you'll see that there's going to be a QR code that's going to appear on your TV, right? You want to open your mobile device, and then you want to scan that QR code. Now, once you scan on that QR code, you'll have to make sure your device is connected to your home Wi-Fi, and then you'll click on Next here, right? The blue button. And then once there, you'll have to tap on Get Code to generate a new QR code on your TV, and then you'll have to scan it again, right? Now, once that happens, you'll have to start verifying, right? Now, the mobile app will start verifying your Netflix account, and then once that happens, that's it. You're done. You can see on the TV now there's going to be a check, which means the error will be solved. Again, if this doesn't work, make sure you're on the same network, and then make sure that you're scanning the QR code correctly as well. Just use your normal mobile device scanner. Don't scan it from Netflix or anything. Just use your normal mobile device scanner, and it'll redirect you onto Netflix automatically.